Hello. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to use the King University Library resources to search for sources you can use in your research. We will go over how to select a database, how to refine your searches, and how to use the database tools to save and cite those sources. The library has several tools to help you find sources for your assignments. Learning how to use them well will help you save time and give you access to thousands of articles from business publications. We'll start on the library's webpage. To get here, go to library.king.edu and scroll down. From here, click on the Article Finder. Now, click on the box that says All Subjects and select Business and Economics from the drop-down menu. This will filter the list of library databases to only those that have to do with business-related topics. At the top of the page, you'll see a box labeled Best Bets. This is where we have highlighted some of our databases that will be the most useful to you. We'll use Business Source Elite for this tutorial. Click on it, and you should be brought to this page. Type your search term into the first field and click on Search. Just like searching any library database, you can narrow down your results using the tools on the left side of the screen, such as the full text limiter, the peer review limiter, and the date range slider. Remember that typically, we prefer to use sources that are no older than 5 to 10 years. You can also select certain source types. Academic journals are a common choice for most papers, but you can also select magazines to access business publications for this assignment, such as Forbes or Business Week. Don't forget, you can also use Boolean modifiers to refine your search. When you find a source that looks like a good match for your research, you can click the link to take you to the full text. From there, you can read the article, save the article to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, and also generate the APA citation for the article. And that is how you can use the library resources to access business sources. Thank you for watching.